Hi everyone, just wanted to do a very quick video about JP-coded rackets versus other country codes. Now it used to be that, first of all, I want to say I bought a 88D this February, so a few months ago, in Japan, in Osaka actually. And I've been buying rackets for 15 or so years. It used to be that when you bought a Japan Yonex racket in Japan, because I know everything's made in Japan, it's just if you buy it in your own home country, it's a different coding on it. They would imprint a two-letter country code on the cone of the racket. So if you look at older rackets, it'll often say SP or CD or JP for the code. And that signifies, even though the racket was made in Japan for the top of the line Yonex rackets, it signifies where I think, the country of origin of that actual racket is. I think it's the quality control where it was finally inspected or something like that. I still don't really know what it means with that coding. Anyway, that coding is gone. It's now a set of digits, but you can still tell, I got you. If the 5th and 6th digits are a certain number, then it's a certain code. So in this case, if the 5th and 6th digit is 3, 5, then it's JP, it's Japan-coded. Anyway, not the point of this video. Point is, right here, this 88D Pro has been my go-to racket for about a year now. I have two. The first one I bought a year ago in Canada, so it's not JP. It's still made in Japan, but it's Canadian coded. But then I bought this one a few months ago in Japan, in Osaka. Same racket. And this is not my first time buying two of the same racket, but one in JP, one in Canadian. I've done it with my older Arc Saber 11s. I've done it with the Arc Saber 11s, that's it. I used to have 5 Arc Saber 11s, believe it or not, and I broke 3, and I broke 2 and I have 3 left. Point is, I have compared the same racket at length between the two countries. Even though it's the exact same racket. For you, same racket, same grip, same strings, everything. So recently I've been playing with the 88 and 88D Pro with both of them. I just snapped my strings on the other Canadian one. So this is the JP one. Look, you can research on Reddit, you can watch YouTube videos. Everything's a rumor, so you're not going to get more than the little knowledge that I have, because what I have is also just based on rumor, because there is no concrete information out there about why JP rackets cost so much more. Well, look, it costs more because it's JP, it's in Japan. Have you all ever eaten instant noodles like Nissin, the brand Nissin instant noodles? They're Canadian and there's Japan. And at least in the case here in Canada, or where I live, and actually even in Hong Kong, where I was born, I've seen since all my life, like 30-something years, that there's a price difference, even though it's the exact same thing. And why is one cost so much more? Well, it's the Japan effect, really. That's all it is. Now, with that said, the 88D Pro, I hate to say it, plays better. Now, I don't know how much of this is psychological. I'm trying not to let the psychological impact of this being from Japan impact me, but it really does play better. I would say it's a tad lighter feeling. It's a more nimbler. It has a tiny bit more flex to it. The sweet spot seems larger. I don't know why. It's just better, the JP one. So, it sells for more in your home country, but if you're able to get one in Japan when you're in Japan, it's a good deal, because at least in the case with this one, it costed the same as what they sell it in Canada for, but it's JP coded. So this JP coded racket could go anywhere from 50 to 100% more outside of Japan, because people are just willing to pay more for a JP coded racket, a Japanese version of the same thing that you can get in your home country. And that's just the way it works. So let me know your thoughts. I just wanted to do a quick video on this whole JP thing. Let me know if you agree, disagree, or if you have the same experience, or maybe I can learn from you. Leave a comment below and teach me if there is actually some proof, because based on my research, Yonex has never came out and said, oh yeah, JP is better because we do better quality control and quality testing. They're never gonna say that. I'd be surprised if they did. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.